In this recording, we're going to discuss a type of virus that is called a bacteriophage, or just simply a phage. So the way that these phages work is that they actually only infect or take over bacterial cells as their host cell. They have particular structures that help to protect their DNA and to help them infect the host cell. But overall, bacteriophages cannot infect human cells. Bacteriophages also have a particular way of replicating where the phage will attach itself to a bacterial cell. It will inject its DNA. Then the DNA takes over the cell and tells the cell to make the parts of the viruses. And then those parts come together. Then they break open or lyse the bacterial cell and are released into the environment that that bacterial cell was in, ultimately killing the host cell. So up next, you are going to watch a little video about how these bacteriophages take over a bacteria cell in order to replicate, and you have an additional handout that you are going to need to label, including the parts of this virus.